Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepare this yummy plantain frittata. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rema, and to my old subscribers I want to say a very big thank you. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Here are the ingredients: 2 ripe plantain, red, green and yellow bell peppers, salt, 1 onion, 2 hot dogs, this is made from pork, 5 eggs, 1 tin of sardine fish. This adds more protein to this recipe, powdered garlic and white pepper. You can add more or less ingredients. So now I will start by peeling and slicing the plantain. In slicing the plantain, I will be slicing it into different shapes. Yes, this is just my favorite and my daughter's favorite. So I'll be slicing it into different shapes. I'll be showing you. So at the end of this recipe, I would like to know on the comment section which shape you prefer. Which shape is your favorite? So now this shape I'm slicing right now is the regular plantain frittata shape. So this particular shape now is my daughter's favorite. She calls it chim frittata. So this one is basically for my daughter. She loves this, and this is why if I'm preparing this plantain frittata, I do it in different shapes so that after the recipe is being prepared, you can just take the parts that suits you. So guys, this is the 4 method and the 4 ways I like slicing my plantain. So now I'll just slice the hot dog. Like I said earlier on, this hot dog is made from pork. This is pork hot dog. So I'll just slice this and set aside as well. Also, I'll be slicing the bell peppers into different shapes, into 2 different shapes. This is just for the garnishing and that appetizing look. So I'll just slice this and set aside. You can add more or less bell peppers to this recipe, or you can as well add any other vegetable of your choice. Remember, this is basically breakfast, and breakfast should be a healthy meal. So you can go ahead to introduce any other vegetable of your choice and make the breakfast healthier. So this is the 2 methods I like slicing the bell peppers whenever I'm preparing plantain frittata. So one I'll be using to mix the egg, and the other I'll just use to garnish it, to give it that perfect appetizing look. So finally, I've removed the oil in this sardine. I will just smash it with my fork and set it aside. So here I have all the ingredients ready. Now we'll go ahead and fry the plantain. So I'll be frying this batch by batch. Remember, they are not equal in size, so to avoid this from getting burnt, I'll be frying it according to their size. Now I'll just add some salt to this and fry it until it's brown. Once it's brown, I'll remove this, I'll scoop it out and add the next batch. So here I have the next batch. I'll fry it again. Once it is brown, I will remove it and add the last but not the least batch. Finally, I'll be frying the chim plantain, my daughter's favorite. As you can see, it looks like chim. That's why she gave it that name. So into the same oil, I've added the sliced hot dog. I will just heat it up and scoop it. This is not a kind of frying. This is just to heat it up because I brought it out from the freezer. Now into a bowl, I will crack the 5 eggs and whisk it until it is foamy. Into it, I'll add some salt, garlic powder, and white pepper. I will give this a proper whisk and then it's ready. So now I will grease my non-sticking pan with some oil. And into it, I will add some of the whisked egg. I will not be adding all at a time. Into the egg, I'll be adding the sliced bell peppers. Into it also, I'll add the sliced onion. I'll just be adding this one after the other. Now I will add the sardine fish. Also, I will add the sliced hot dog. Once I add each of them, I'll just give it a gentle stir and let it balance. And again, I'll be adding some of the whisked egg. So now it's time to add the plantain. So with my washed hand, I'll be adding the plantain one after the other. So this is where I demarcate the plantain depending on the size. So I'll just gently add all the plantains one after the other according to their size. And here we go. So once I'm done adding the plantains, I'll now add the rest of the bell peppers. This is garnishing. This is what I call garnishing. So guys, after that, I'll now add the rest of the whisked egg. Now I will cook this on a very low heat for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, the plantain frittata is ready. Look at it, very yummy. So now I'll just give it a cut. I'll just cut out one particular shape. This is just the perfect way to share this recipe. So I'll just cut out this shape and let's see how it is. This is just yummy. So guys, look at it. As you can see, there is no buns in the pot. This is just perfect. And this is it. This is my own favorite. That is why I have to cut it first. So after I removed it from the pot, this is what it looks like in the plate. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, if you find it useful, don't forget to give a like and share with family and friends. See you all in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.